Imagine that if it happens to you that you have come after doing a lot of shopping and after coming home, you come to know that all the dresses or what you bought are all out of trend. You will feel bad. So, we should not make the same mistake during keyword research. Hi viewers, I am Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. In today's video, I am going to talk about keyword trends. As in our previous video, we talked about semester tutorial and we see a bar of trend in that. Here is the detail of that. We have selected the keyword, but to know whether that keyword is trending or not, whether it is out of trend and how we can do its feature prediction, we will know this through Google Trends. I'm 100% sure that there is no tool for keyword planning for SEO, but we can expect 90 to 95% accuracy. To know about the trend of about the trend of keywords, we will use Google Trends. Google Trends is a tool of Google that tells us how the trend is going on a topic or a keyword. What will be the trend in the coming time? Will it go hype or will it downfall? This is a very good tool. This is Google's own tool. So it gives us very accurate results. You can see the trend or of any topic according to the country wise. You can also see in which state this topic or keyword is running the most popular, and with this you can compare the two keywords here. If you have a lot of keywords and you have to choose a keyword, then we will choose such a keyword whose trend will more or its trend will increase in the coming time. We will see it through Google. Okay, go on the Google, type Google Trends, or you can type by URL. Here is the interface, explore. Okay, this is the interface. Write your keyword. I will write a keyword of digital marketing. Enter. Okay, you can change your country here. You can change your data, time, months, years here. You can change your category here, as I decided my keyword as a category or earlier. You can change web searches here. Web searches, what are these? Web searches means how a keyword is ranking in YouTube, in images, in news, in Google Shopping, like this. Okay, now the graph is here. This is our graph. Here the range from 25 to 100 is given. If your graph is more than 50 range, then it means that your keywords are very trending. You can see that graph of digital marketing has never come below 50. So, but uh, right now, if I talk against Google's prediction, then it is a quite trending topic. Apart from that, I will use a different keyword, like I type Eid ul Fitr because our Eid is coming. The keyword was not trending earlier, but now it has come in trending immediately. Its downfall is confirmed that it is a short term thing. We see, according to Google prediction, if we look at the upcoming time, then it will be on downfall. That is, it will be not much trending. This is also an example of fresh keyword, as we talked about in our previous video. I will link that video in description or at the end of the video. I know from the graph that it is a fresh keyword because its hype has just been created. Let's check another keyword for the example of Evergreen keyword. So I typed SEO. I changed the time, made it 5 years. So its hype has been increasing since 5 years. It was trending earlier and it is still trending. It is still popular. It was popular before and it will become more popular with time as its graph is increasing in order. Let's see another example of laptop. I make it 12 months. So the demand for this keyword is little bit fluctuating but not decreasing under below 50. As I told you that if your graph is more than 50 range, then it means that your keywords are very trending. So this is another example of evergreen keyword. You can check all the details here. You can also compare two keywords here. If you are confused between two similar keywords but both are good, then you can compare here like this. If in one bar we will write digital marketing, and on the other bar of compare I will write online jobs. The result is here. According to 12 months, I am seeing more hype of a red keyword or blue keyword. Here is the hype of blue one. I should choose the blue one in comparison of these two, right? And the blue one is digital marketing. It's a common sense for us. We can see this, that which keyword is high, we should go with that. We must go with that. We work on that for our blog and websites ranking and good results for us. Okay, this is a very thing on Google. This is a very good thing on Google trend, that you can compare two words and solve your problem. Let's explore the other features. You can share your file. You can download your file. Next, coming down is compared breakdown by region. You can see the details of data in detail from here. If you click on interest for online job to select and then see the data, right? If you click on okay, I will change the keyword on digital marketing. I will choose just one keyword. I will skip the comparison as we did earlier. I will just go with just one keyword, which is digital marketing. We will see the graph or the complete tutorial next coming further by it. Okay, you can change your region here. You can change your city from here. You can check the data. You can see all the details by city, or you can, if you are targeting a specific country or working for a specific country, you can change from here and you can see the data regarding a particular or specific country, like this. Here are the all details. So guys, this was a complete tutorial of Google Trends. I hope you have learned something new. We will meet in our next video. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Bye. I hope so we will meet very soon.